how to book a hotel. Then, click ninyo yung hotel na icon. Then, like for example, sa Boracay. On July 2 to 4. 2 packs. Then, done. Click search. Then, ayan. Hanap lang tayo ng murang hotel siguro. Like for example, si Boracay Travelodge Beach Resort. Click select room lang natin. Then, ayan. Double or twin economy. Then, double or twin deluxe. Then, book now. Ayan, 3,089.27 pesos. Click book now. Then, yan. Isi-set up din natin yung markup natin. Click lang ulit natin itong add your own markup. Then, the title. Disregard muna natin. Like, for example, mag-ano tayo ng 600. Then, fix. Click apply. Then, yung details ng mga client natin. Yan. Then, the country again. Philippines. Then, yung address ninyo. Then, contact information. Then, pag-pay, dito tayo. Payment for booking. Then, ayan. Sa pinakababa. Bali, yung ito-top up lang ninyo dito. I-less na ninyo yung markup ninyo na 600. Bali, 3,089.27 pesos lang siya. Then, I agree. Then, confirm booking natin siya. Bali, ayan. Itong 3,689.27, good for 3 days, 2 nights na siya. Dito sa Boracay Travelodge Beach Resort.